Today, when we look around, the world is filled with attractive and sleek graphical interfaces. In all this, there is a tool present which looks simple but is powerful, the command prompt, also known as CMD. But the truth is, CMD today is one of those underrated yet powerful tools that is still used by developers, IT professionals, ethical hackers, and also by college students who want to level up their tech skills. Whether you are trying to automate boring tasks, fix system issues, or simply understand how your Windows PC actually works below the surface, learning CMD commands is a superpower you did not know you needed. For that, in this stream, you will discover what exactly CMD is, why it still matters today, basic and advanced CMD commands, easy ways to open and use command prompt efficiently, etc. Let's dive in. What is CMD? CMD means command prompt. Technically, it is also known as cmd.exe, which is the executable file that launches the command prompt in Windows. It is like a command line interface, or CLI, of the Windows operating system. This is a space where you give commands via typing, meaning there is no need to use your mouse. When you open CMD, you will see a plain black window where you can type white text commands and your system executes them instantly. No loading, no lags. It gives you direct system-level access. Why is CMD still important? It can be very helpful when your PC refuses to boot. You need to process thousands of files at once or want to run programs silently in the background with one command. It can be used to resolve so many Windows issues. It makes you work faster than using the regular GUI. You can automate repetitive tasks using batch files and scripts. It lets you perform admin-level functions like system scans, user control, and more. Open Command Prompt in Windows. Before you dive into the powerful CMD commands, you must start with the basics of how to open the command prompt. Windows gives you multiple ways to access it, and once you know them, you will never waste time searching again. The two most popular ways are 1. Using the Start menu. Always run as administrator when you perform system-level actions like disk checks, network resets, etc. Click on the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Type CMD or Command Prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator if elevated permissions are needed. 2. Using the Run dialog box. It is the quickest method to open CMD, mainly if you are already working on a keyboard-heavy task. Press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Type CMD and hit Enter. So let's see how and when to use the CMD command. As basic control utilities prompts, 1. System info. This is used to generate a massive detailed summary of your hardware, operating system version, and network configuration. To get the detailed information about your PC make, simply open the CMD command and type in System Info in the black screen and hit Enter to display the information. 2. CLS prompt. The CLS command helps you to clear all previous commands and outputs on the CMD screen and will give you a fresh window. It is super helpful when things get cluttered and you want it all clean. Also, it does not delete any files or history. To clear the command screen, simply type in CLS in the command prompt and hit Enter. 3. Ver prompt. This command shows the version of Windows which you are currently using. It is helpful when you need to verify your operating system version before installing software or when troubleshooting issues that depend on system compatibility. Simply type in ver in the prompt area and hit Enter to see your operating system version. You also have time and date prompts to view current time and date and update them accordingly. Before we continue with network and internet CMD command prompts, subscribe and like this video as a way of encouraging us. Your support will go a long way in encouraging us to do more. Network and system utility commands.
This category contains powerful commands to check IP addresses, test internet connections, monitor your network, and get details about your Windows system. It is perfect for both basic troubleshooting and advanced diagnostics. 1. ipconfig command. ipconfig. This command displays your system's current IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway, your Wi-Fi router. It is like a mini map of your network. Additionally, it is great when Wi-Fi is not working properly or websites are not loading. To initiate this prompt, simply type ipconfig and hit Enter on your keyboard. To disconnect your IP, you can use ipconfig/release. To clear all old DNS data, fix site loading errors, and make your browser fast, you can use ipconfig/flushdns. 2. netstat command. netstat. This command displays all active internet connections on your system. This can even help detect malware or suspicious apps silently sending or receiving data. Additionally, it uses netstat-an to see ports and IPs. To initialize this, just type in netstat in the prompt space and hit Enter on your keyboard. 3. Task list command. Task list. This command lists all currently running tasks and processes, like Task Manager. It is used to monitor background processes directly in CMD. To initialize this, just type in task list in the prompt space and hit Enter on your keyboard. CMD commands for system power and user account management. These CMD commands give you direct control over your system's power functions and user account management. Whether you want to quickly shut down your PC, restart, lock the screen, or you wish to manage users, these commands are super useful for those especially who are handling lab systems, multiple users, or just exploring system automation. 1. Shutdown system command. shutdown/s/t0. This command shuts down your computer immediately. The S stands for shutdown, and /T0 is for the action to happen without any delay. Just type in the command in the prompt and press Enter on your keyboard. I will not press Enter to run it, as I still want to show more prompts. 2. Restart system command. shutdown/r/T0. This command restarts your system instantly. It is helpful when you install software or updates that require a reboot. Simply type in shutdown/r in the prompt space and press Enter on your keyboard to automatically restart your system, especially if it hangs. I will not press Enter to run it, as I still want to show more prompts.
DISM, Deployment Image Servicing and Management Command. DISM online /cleanup image /restore health. DISM is a powerful command line tool used to repair Windows images. It can fix more severe corruption problems by downloading healthy versions of files from Windows Update. It is like an advanced troubleshooting step for persistent system issues, often used when SFC/ScanNow doesn't resolve the problem. Simply type the command in the prompt and hit Enter, and the issues will be resolved. 4. Generate Battery Report command. PowerCFG/battery report. This command creates a detailed battery performance report in HTML format. It helps laptop users monitor battery health and usage. Just type the command and hit Enter to generate the report. You need to run this especially if you want to buy a fairly used system. Advanced CMD commands for system repair and disk management. Once you're comfortable with the basics, let me now share with you these important commands IT professionals and power users rely on mostly. They handle everything from repairing corrupted system files to managing disk partitions and syncing large folder structures.
Note that most of these require running CMD as administrator. 1. SFC/scan now. Category: System Repair. Warning: requires admin permission. SFC stands for System File Checker. It scans all protected Windows system files and automatically replaces corrupted or missing ones with a cached copy. This is the first command to run when Windows starts behaving unexpectedly: random crashes, missing DLL errors, or features that stop working. Command: SFC/scan now. To run this repair command, just type in SFC/scan now in the prompt and hit Enter on your keyboard, and this runs a deep scan of your PC and resolves all issues detected. Miscellaneous Utility CMD commands. These commands cover encryption, disk compression, hardware information, and system diagnostics. They are less frequently used in daily tasks, but highly valuable when you need them, particularly for IT audits, system prep, and security checks. MS-Info32 command. MS-Info32 command opens the System Information window, a full graphical report of your hardware, software environment, components, and system summary. It is more detailed than System Info and presents the data in a browsable UI. You can also export the full report to a file for sharing with IT support. You need to run this command whenever you want to buy a new or used laptop. It will give you a detailed report of the product you are to buy. Just type in MS-Info32 in the prompt space and press Enter on your keyboard to generate report in seconds. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, like and share these videos with your loved ones who might need these to resolve all their computer issues.